So in this video, we're going to be working with polynomial functions, right? To define a polynomial, first we need to define a monomial. A monomial is a real number, variable, or the product of real numbers and one or more variables. The degree of the monomial is the sum of the exponent of the variables, right? Then the polynomial is a monomial or the sum of monomials. And the degree of polynomial is the greatest degree among its monomials terms. Okay, and the standard form of a polynomial function arranges the terms by degree in descending numerical order. So that means that the highest exponent is going to be your first, and then we're going to go down. Okay, now we can classify a polynomial by two things. First of all, its degree, right? Its degree. If the degree is 0, it's called a constant term. If the degree is linear, is 1, it's called linear. If the degree is 2, is quadratic. 3, cubic. 4, quartic. 5, quintic. And anything else from there is just going to be polynomial of degree 6, 7, or 8, whatever you need. Right? Now, by the number of terms, if we have only one term, it's a monomial. If we have two terms, it's binomial. If we have three terms, it's a trinomial. And if we have 4 or more, we're just going to call it polynomial of whatever terms we have. So let's start with this one, right? It says, right, each polynomial in standard form, then classify it by degree and by number of terms. So let's start. First of all, we have to combine like terms, right? Right here, we can combine those two. So I have 5x plus 2. So that means that this is a linear binomial. Why? Because its degree here is 1, because the exponent is 1. Okay? Now, the second one, I don't have any like terms. My degree is 4, so that means that this is a quartic binomial. Right? The next one, again, I have 3 terms. There's no like terms, so I'm going to rearrange them to write it as standard form. So that negative 4x cubed should be first, then x squared plus 3x. And this one is a cubic trinomial. Remember that the degree here is 3. Okay. So this one, again, I'm going to combine like terms. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So I have just 3x cubed. So again, my degree is 3. So I have a cubic monomial. Now, here first, I'm going to distribute that a cubed. So I have a to the 5th plus a to the 4th plus a cubed, right? My highest exponent is 5. So this is a trinomial of degree 5. Right? Again, I'm going to distribute here. So I have x squared plus 5x minus 5x minus 25. I can't cancel those two because there's going to be 0. So then I have a, so my degree here is 2. I have a quadratic binomial. Now, at number 7, so I have 9c to the 4th. So I have a quartic monomial, right? Now, but at number 5, I can also write it as quintic trinomial. And so here it says, determine the degree of the polynomial function with the given data. So we're going to start by here. We're going to subtract to find a constant term. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by subtracting 1 minus 16. So 1 minus negative 16. So that becomes positive. So this is 17. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 16 minus 5 is 11. Now I'm going to start again. 3 minus 17 is negative 14. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. And 11 minus 1 is 10. It's 10, right? So now I'm going to go negative 2. Negative 2 minus negative 14. So negative 2 minus negative 14, this is 12, and that this is positive. And now 10 minus negative 2, so that becomes 12. Now, because here I have the same value here, it's a constant value, and I'm going to have one difference, two difference, three difference. That means that the degree for this polynomial equals to 3. And that's it for this lesson. May the force be with you.